Hello, here we have the computer classroom course syllabus for middle school. On the top, you will see the contact information. This is one semester per year. The course description is here where we learn a little bit about everything from keyboarding to Microsoft Word to word processing, writing memos, letters, and continuing our typing instruction along with nature type challenges. This also helps with the homework and have students excel with their typing speed and accuracy. They also use PowerPoint in addition to Publisher, where they can create business cards, different flyers that they can print, brochures, posters, and other documents. Sixth grade, sixth, seventh, we also have a section on digital citizenship with internet safety, as well as Tinker for coding. All the keyboard shortcuts, how to insert symbols, enhance documents, and how to publish and present these documents. Different copyright laws, bullets, a lot of formatting with tables, proofreading, so on and so forth. Here is our book. We do have a workbook along with a lot of handouts. We use Word, PowerPoint Publisher, NitroType, as well as all the Google Slides and Google Docs. The grading is 60%, same as the elementary and high school level. Classwork 20%, participation and attendance 10%. Hawk bills. Each student will be awarded Hawk bills, and this is something we use school-wide. And I believe for our class, I like when they save their Hawk bills to get the NitroType Gold membership. And I believe that's 100 Hawk bills. And lastly, we have our lab rules. And every now and then you'll see a new poster printed just of the main computer lab rules, where they shouldn't touch the computers, try to remove headsets, no violent game websites, no social media, do not print without permission, and absolutely no food or drink. And that's pretty much it. That is the middle school course syllabus. And check out our next video for the high school.